I am calling on the Inspector General of Police that Ikenga has to be arrested immediately because he is influencing crisis in the state where he does not come from, because he is looking for the money from Governor Fubara, who has agreed with the judgment of the Court of Appeal.
Hello guys, welcome once again to Think Tank TV. Now, the crisis in the Rivers State political scene has taken a new twist, as Samuel Anosike, the former local government chairman of Ikwerre Local Government, has sent a strong message to Governor Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, and Ikenga, the House of Representatives member representing Imo State, standing tall for Fubara and his supporters. Recall that the Court of Appeal judgment given just a few days ago in Rivers State has been contentious with interpretations from different lawyers. However, Anosike, the former local government chairman who resisted Governor Fubara vehemently and never agreed to leave office, has spoken and sent a strong message to Oko Jumbo, the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Governor Sim Fubara, and Ikenga, reacting to their recent actions as illegal. Please do also drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about the stance of Anosike, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Take a look.
Mr. Oko Jumbo's decision to appeal to the Supreme Court.
First of all, I want to thank you for the opportunity of having me join you on this program. And I want to say clearly that it is the right of Mr. Oko Jumbo and his other members who had the issue were suspended by the 10th Assembly when the crisis broke out in October last year. Their suspension, like he knows, has not been quashed by any court of law. They remain suspended members of the 10th Rivers State House of Assembly as led by Martin Samuel, which has been declared by the Court of Appeal when they gave their judgment yesterday. So it is right to approach the Supreme Court for further interpretation in the matter. But we want to say clearly, and Nigerians should please join us to say clearly, that there is a young man who is in the National Assembly, who does not come from Rivers State, who does not come from any constituency in Rivers State, who is creating problem and trying to cause anarchy in our state. This young man, as soon as Court of Appeal gave the ruling yesterday, came out and became the Supreme Court of Nigeria by interpreting the ruling of the Court of Appeal without even waiting for the original judgment to be made available to the public. I mean Ikenga, who has been sapping the coffers of Rivers State with the slogan of 60 National Assembly members being behind him.
Yeah.
We are calling on the Inspector General of Police to say
exactly that's where I would like you to explain it further on. Sorry to pause because he's actually talking about Ikenga Ugochire, leading some members of the House of Representatives, saying that the ruling doesn't change the situation on the ground. It's only talking about jurisdiction. Do you not feel that he has a point there?
He has no point. Ikenga is not the Supreme Court of Nigeria. In fact, Ikenga should be arrested at this moment for inciting crisis and breakdown of law and order in Rivers State. In a proper sense of democracy, Ikenga has no immunity. As long as he's outside the chambers of the House, all his activities are illegal. I am calling on the Inspector General of Police that Ikenga has to be arrested immediately because he is influencing crisis in the state where he does not come from, because he is looking for the money from Governor Fubara, who has agreed with the judgment of the Court of Appeal. If you listen to Governor Fubara by your statement and what he said he has accepted, and that's why him and his followers are going to the Supreme Court for further interpretation. That is the right thing to do, not to come and incite crisis. We are saying enough of Ikenga and all his aunties. A man that has only 4 followers or 3 followers will come and tell Nigeria that has 60 followers. Oh, he has seen this document. Oh, there is this leak. All those things are shenanigans. It's importing criminality into proper democracy. And even Nigeria is keeping quiet. And they believe he's doing anything useful. He's rather creating crisis. He said crisis created in Imo State. And lied against Imo State Governor and doing all propaganda like a half of to come to House of Representatives. Today we can see the House of Representatives is now a position that he will use to harass leaders and harass the judiciary. We will thank our Lordship for standing tall to say, despite the propaganda from people like Igochire, that they will do right to justice. And they have said by their ruling that Martin Samuel is the leader, the Speaker of the Rivers State 10th House of Assembly. Wow. And all laws made by him will be obeyed. And they even went further to say that every action taken by Oko Jumbo from day one is null and void, which means When the caretaker committee is clean,
that's right.
Null and void. The Attorney General is clean, null and void. The commissioners is clean, null and void. All laws he has made, null and void.
It's actually an unfolding development, very rapidly developing, and then we keep monitoring. But some of these things that you said, basically these are definitely your opinion, because a lot of people will definitely disagree with you, especially those who are in support of the incumbent governor Fubara on this issue. Thank you very kindly, former chairman, Ikwerre Local Government.
Before you leave, I'm not former chairman. I want to say clearly before you leave, just a while ago, Kogi State House of Assembly has extended the tenure of the local government chairman. That is done by the proper House of Assembly. We have said before that the original tenure of chairman was for 4 years. It is the same House of Assembly that the Constitution gave that power to reduce our tenure from 4 to 3 years. So if the House of Assembly led by Samuel Anosike has said, because the governor refused to present a budget before them, and the governor has no plan to conduct election, that there should be no vacuum in office.
That's right.
That there should be an extension for an election to be conducted.
I am still chairman of the Ikwerre Local Council,
and I thank God for our lordship,
Mr. Anosike,
and giving the right judgment.
Right, Mr. Anosike, thank you very much for your insight on this very important issue in Rivers State. Thank you very kindly. We'll see what happens, in the future times. Thank you.
You've seen it for yourself. Now, I love the fact that they would always call Nigerians to join them when the chips are down. That goes a long way to tell you that the people are more stronger than those so-called political class who always feel very powerful when they're in power. Now, like you heard for yourself from Anosike that Ikenga should be arrested. And I was wondering, why should he call for Ikenga to be arrested for giving his simple opinion in a democratic setting? I keep wondering why this political class will want to be in power perpetually without stepping aside when their tenure is over. I've been asking the question that, where was Anosike? Where was all these local government chairmen that don't want to leave power when Governor Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State and the current FCT minister, was going ahead to run the state government on a back-to-back caretaker basis? Where were they? Today it's obvious that they are losing a grip of the power, and what they want to do is to do everything humanly possible to continually remain in power. It's unfortunate that we have kleptocrats in power who are interested in their personal interest alone. Please do want to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think about the words of Samuel Anosike and the actions of the Victor Oko-led Rivers State House of Assembly, and we shall continually be here to serve you. Many thanks indeed to all our viewers and returning subscribers. We really do not take it lightly. My name again is Moses, and this is Think Tank TV. See you on the next video. Bye for now.